Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. So I will put this one, go to the right. Next, s to the power of 3 plus 1 we put on the left, cosine y we put on the right. So we will have about 3s squared over s to the power of 3 plus 1. And this one, we will have about cosine y in here. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Now I will go to this one. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s to the power of 3 plus 1. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and you got about du equals to 3s squared ds. So this one we change by u, 3s squared ds we change by du. The integration of this one, you got about ln of the absolute value of u, and we put about c. About u, that's about this one. Now let's go to this one. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to cosine y. So if I do first derivative for the both sides, you got about du equals to negative cosecant of y squared dy. Because we don't have the negative sign in here, so I will put the negative next to du. So about this one, you got about u cosecant of y squared dy we change by negative du. The integration of this one, you got about negative ln of the absolute value of u, and we put about c. About u, that's about cosine y, and we put about c in here. Now we go back in here. The integration of this one, you got about this one. The integration of this one, you got about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.